Welcome back to the channel. As you've seen in the previous video, we dropped the EK off for paint, and that was roughly a year ago, give or take. And flash forward to today, we got the car back. So we're gonna do this in stages like the S2000. We're gonna do suspension, brake lines, plumbing, electrical, and then install the motor, aesthetics, blah blah blah. So let's get into the intro first. Flash forward to now, we got the car back from paint. Check it out.
There's something in the water. I feel it taking over me. It's slowly getting harder to breathe,
So what we got going on is we have the JDM ITR 5-lug conversion. First thing we have to do is I'm gonna press these new bearings in. Brand new OEM Type R hubs for the rear, and we have all these freshly powder coated too. So let's get into it. All right. So first thing we're gonna use this OEM grease. Grease the inside. Before we can press the bearing in, I forgot that we still have this little race that's on the old hub that we need to get off. So the idea that I had was use this grinder and grind it to give it a little shoulder. Then what we can do is use this and pull it out. At least in my head, that's what I think it's gonna work.
Where it's at? Where's the cuts?
It's right there.
Oh, let's see.
Want to heat it up a little?
No, keep going. You got it, man. It's coming.
Damn, that pry bar is straight now.
Heat her up, brother.
I might just heat it up some more.
Alright.
My stupid plan didn't work. What we ended up doing was heating the race, and then we cut slits in there, and then we used pry bars and just pried it out, and it came out. So these are one of those times where I try to go extra and it didn't work. So
Listen, Lewis.
yeah, we miss Lewis on his channel.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Gang, car. This inside.
Which
Why?
one is inside?
Upside down.
So
Okay, so the black part inside. Why do you ask? Because it's rubber. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You don't like rubber exposed, right?
it's cold.
Yeah, probably because it's in the freezer.
Yeah, we threw this in the freezer
Tell them why, bro.
so it expands.
No. How old are you?
Basic science.
Do we need to heat this up?
Let's edit that out now. You know.
So here we go. Oh,
Do you have a like? Can you make it flat? You might have to like stack it.
yeah. I'm gonna use this.
What do
this
you
thing
need?
right here.
Well, you have to press it all the way so the snap ring can fit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It'll fit in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like
We're
it.
good.
It works.
You look.
Through it. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
no, it's not.
Okay. There you go. Now look. Is it too tight?
Bam, boy.
It didn't fuck with none on this side.
No. All right. So next, Gucci gang.
Ooh, watch the nuts.
You guys are taking the old trailing arms off. I'm gonna put the PCI, the trailing arm bushing on here. So basically what we have to do is just slip this in here and it snaps in. So they do come with this little template, but you only use it for like the DA Integras, which is like 89 to 93 EFs and DAs. So we don't need this. Try to get it as centered as I can. That is about as good as it'll get. Damn, these chinky eyes, bro. It's got it centered. See?
Why not?
Cause man, it's not neat. We need neat.
Bro, you look like Omni, man.
Whatever, dude. You look like fucking. You look like Gohan, dude. I don't want to hear it,
You
dude.
look like Omni, man.
What is it? I don't know who that is, dude.
But it's this show.
Is that
on
an
Netflix.
anime?
No.
Is that hentai, bro?
No, it's
If he
not.
got a unit,
Oh,
I got a root. Alright.
Alright guys, so it's a 3/8 bit. I got the holes drilled out. Now we just need to put the bolts in. And PCI recommends that we use blue Loctite.
And we're using red today.
No we're not.
Boom, guys. We got the trailer arms finished.
Just doing slow-mo, bro. There's not gonna be any words here. It's just fucking niggas this fuck. You know what I'm saying? They're born different.
Now it's for the hardware. So we got rear trailing arm, subframe to chassis, front lower control arms, transmission. This is Lewis's job after I Cerakote the transmission. We got engine mount, strut bars, K-series header, rack to subframe, chassis hardware, upper control arm, traction bar, water pump, valve cover, which I'm probably not gonna use, oil pan. Yeah, the sauce. Look at the look on Lewis's face.
Let me do the Asian squat. Hold on a minute. We got gut, you know what I mean? Whole lot of dicks.
Complete engine dress up and front tie bar. This is $1,100 worth of hardware, bro. All right. Yeah, Frank, if you're watching this, you gotta give us a, like complete hardware setup, for all the builds.
I missed you, Frank.
So next day, we needed a torx bit last night to take the bolts off the old trailing arm. So we had to call it in. And it's also Christmas Eve. Currently, we're watching the Dallas Cowboys get their ass waxed by the Miami Dolphins. It's gonna be a great Christmas. Yeah. Lewis is MIA today. You failed me, bro. So we got this all put in already. Now let's put this trailing arm back on.
We'll see if that's what it is.
All right. So we're just gonna kind of just loosely put these in until we're done. And then we're gonna come back and Loctite and then torque them all down to spec.
All right, guys. So we got 2 new bolts for, what was this thing called?
The upper control arm.
The upper control arm right here. And I'm gonna put Loctite on it before I put it on.
Now put our hub on. Brand new OEM hub. We're not gonna tighten this yet until we're ready to go. Brand new cap also. You just lightly put it in there. Bam. I wish we had the wheels here. We'll toss it on here and see what it looks like. But we need to roll these fenders too. It's been like about a week and a half since the last clip you guys saw, because I forgot that we were doing the EG DC2 subframe, and so I had to get all this powder coated. The reason we're doing the EG DC2 subframe is because it helps position the case spot better, pushes the motor back, and that way the axles, they line up a lot better than if you were to use the EK. So now we have a brand new master bushing kit. I already did the rears, so now we're gonna do these. We're gonna do the lower control arm. So the first thing we're gonna do is the compliance arms right here. I didn't have the proper sized press thingy, so what I did was I took the my old S2000 crankshaft pulley bolt and I machined down the thread so I can pull out this washer, and it just so happens to be perfect. Oh. And that is how Jaden was made. I'm gonna go finish the other side and then I'll see you guys back over there.
Alright guys, it's my turn to do this side. Let's put a little degreaser on there.
Can you even see it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna give this the downstar treatment too. We got the complete front lower control arm set. There's no better feeling than having brand new bolts. All the Honda parts finally came in for the rack and pinion. I got brand new end links and all the necessary stuff for the thingy mabobber, the steering shaft. So what I have here is a brand new manual steering rack that I got from Rock Auto, which means Jaden won't have power steering.
What?
Because this is a light car, so it doesn't matter. You want to be a man or you want to be a little sissy?
Alright,
and drive with your little finger.
Alright.
Is that what you want?
No.
Exactly. We're gonna throw this in the car for now. Apparently, we can throw that piece of stuff. So Honda discontinued this piece, so I went ahead and ordered a billet one. Should be here in a week, but I'm not gonna hold up the video and stuff. For the time being, we're gonna put this on, and then put the knuckles on. And that'll be it for this video. So, come on, Jaden. On the other side. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh. Yes. Up. Alright, so we got the subframe in. Now what I'm gonna do is we can get as close as we can for alignment. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do from the back of the threads to the back of the nut. So I got .3. I got it pretty damn close, guys. I got it on point. Let's see how off Jaden is on his side.
No.
Way off. Alright, now what we're gonna do is put the Buddy Club lower ball joint.
Broke it. What is this?
Just like that.
It's in?
It's in. So Jaden recently has an obsession with Jeffrey Epstein.
Dude, it's fascinating, dude.
Yeah.
All the famous people were part of it. And I found the black book.
Man, I love fresh hardware, man.
We went 4-0.
Looking very good, is it? Took a little finessing, but we got it. Now, you know what we get to do, Brandon?
You guys get to sit back and chill while I do the other side.
We get to see Jaden struggle the other side. Go over there, make sure you get it all on tape, bro. So we finished the suspension. I was gonna let you guys watch Jaden struggle, but we're running out of memory on this memory card, and it's my last one. I haven't cleaned out the other ones yet. So all we have to do left is get a new bushing and then a new castle nut, and that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Also, if you guys see anything that you guys want to see in these videos or something that we can improve on, I would love to hear you guys' input, because you know, after all, we're making all these videos for you guys. With that being said, I love you guys. Remember, authenticity is king. Peace out. I love you.